Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox and do giveaway of Mivi ThunderBeats 2 wireless earphones. It has some specifications like HD stereo sound, lossless audio, super solid bass, powerful drivers, Snug fit, sweat-proof IPX4, proudly made in India product, convenient locking system, Bluetooth 5.0, deep and powerful bass on the right hand side of the box, engineered and made in India. On the left hand side of the box, Mivi tagline, push the limits. It comes with 1 year limited warranty. So now let's unbox it. How to register your warranty. Welcome to the crew. User manual. Main content. Extra ear tips. USB cable. USB A to USB micro USB. Locking system, Mivi branding, very good material, charging port, volume up button, volume down button, power on button. Sound quality is very good. To join in giveaway, you have to comment down on Instagram post of this giveaway. I will pick comment from comment picker and announce after 1 week. I hope you like my video, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit like button.